Hello. So in this video we're going to look at how to do simple statistics given data sets. And so first off, if we're given a data set like this, just the raw data, and we want to find the mean, also known as the average, the way to do that would be to sum all the data values and then divide by the number of data values. So as a formula, the mean is typically denoted as x bar. So the bar signifies that it's the mean of the variable x. And the x1, x2, x3 up to xn is the values that you have in your data set. And the n is just the number of data values in your set. So in this case, I would say 3 plus 6 plus 5 and so on, and divide by 9 because I have 9 data values. And if I calculate this, I'm going to get 5.2222. So the average or the mean of this data set would be 5.2222 and so on. Sometimes we're not given the raw data, but we're given data in a frequency table like this. And the way to read this is that we have the data value 3 one time. We have the data value 7 15 times, and so on. So the way you could calculate the average here is you could do just like before, where you would say 3 plus 4 and then plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 because we have it 3 times. But this gets pretty tedious if I have 40 could be done, but let's say I had 7,000 data points. That would be a lot of typing. So the way you would do that in that case instead is you would use these frequencies in the formula so it gets modified like this. So you would say 1 times 3 because it occurs 1 time, plus 1 times 4, and so on. So f1 is the frequency of the first data value and x1 is the first data value. And then again, as before, you would divide by the total number of data values, which would be 40 in this case. So here you would say 1 times 3 plus 1 times 4 plus 3 times 5 and so on. So we multiply the frequencies with the data values and then you divide by the total number of data set points. And then you get the average. So basically, instead of writing 6 plus 6 plus 6 7 times, you just say, well, I have it 7 times, so I'm going to say 7 times 6. And that's the way you would do that. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it on the calculator, the TI-84 Plus. Thank you for now. Have fun.